Dear viewers, welcome to the channel 21 of IIT PAL. You know that this channel is dedicated towards teaching and learning of mathematics for class 11 and 12 students. As you all know, IIT PAL is a wonderful initiative of the Ministry of Human Resource Development to teach basic sciences to the students who aspire to be engineers and scientists in future. In this channel, we have considered the topics of mathematics that is in the class 11 and 12 syllabus of CBSE and also JEE exams. Depending upon the depth of the syllabus, sufficient number of lectures have been prepared for each topic. The lectures have been delivered by professors of different IITs, namely IIT Delhi, IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Patna, and also by some teachers of Kendriya Vidyalayas who actually deal with the students of class 11 and 12 on daily basis and know their pulses and know their requirements very well. The overall plan is to record about 210 lectures covering all the different topics of class 11-12 mathematics. Also some lectures are there that are not directly in the syllabus, but will work as a stimulation for the students who have more interest in mathematics, who love mathematics and who like to think about mathematics and solving problems. These lectures will allow them to think in a deeper way, which in turn will pave the way for the students to pursue in future science and engineering irrespective of the branch. So, for example, computer science, mathematics, electrical engineering, electronics, even civil, mechanical, everywhere you need mathematics. Also, some basic science courses such as physics and statistics involve a command over mathematics to a significant extent. We hope that these lectures delivered by the teachers for IIT PAL will help them in building the foundation so that they can pursue science or engineering in future according to their desire. I am happy that I have been entrusted with the responsibility of coordinating this enormous project, which is overwhelmingly ambitious. It needed a huge effort from the coordinators and teachers over years to prepare these lectures. If students find these lectures beneficial and useful, that will be the greatest success and satisfaction for me and for the entire fraternity who have contributed to preparing these lectures with a huge effort. I thank the director of IIT Delhi and the national coordinator for being the pillar of strength behind this project. For any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me to my email address, that is Niladri, NILADRI @maths.iitd.ac.in. I thank you and welcome you to view this channel and to give your valuable comments to us, so that we can improve it with time. Thank you.